Hello and welcome to Musings by Amit. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Mrinmay Santra, web development versus app development, which is more in demand? See, web development is also application development. Web development is also application development. You are developing an application on the internet. I don't see much of a difference as far as the tools and technologies are concerned. Okay. Whether you are doing web development or whether you are doing application development, you are going to follow the same rules of programming. Okay. So you will have to think about the security, you will have to think about memory management. If your application is only a device specific application, for example, if you build an application only for an Android phone which has no connection whatsoever with the internet, which is not taking the data, or even if it is taking the data, everything that you're doing is on the mobile phone itself, like the desktop applications of the past. Okay, previously all the applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, these are desktop applications. Okay, these were all built for the desktop and this had to be installed on the desktop and they would run on the desktop, so it would follow all the rules of the operating system. And when you do the web development, it will follow all the rules of the cloud infrastructure. Okay, so whatever is the cloud infrastructure, it will follow the rules very similar in nature. But okay, web development will have to take care of a lot of things, and the scale is huge in web development. And application development may be restricted to a device, can do things within the device, so will only be with respect to that particular device. And if you do web development for one, so application development for one device, you may have to learn only with respect to that device instead of everything. Whereas for web development, you will have to learn a lot more things. You'll have to see that this application can open on various different browsers. It is able to work correctly on all the browsers. As the browsers get updated, you have to also update your application and all those things. So there are certain differences, but as far as programming is concerned, the way you manage a software project, the way you manage everything within the project, the web development application can be the web development project can be large, very huge. Application development can be a smaller project. Okay, if it is a small thing. Okay, but there are a lot of similarities as far as for a software engineer. I said, just like I said that there should not be any. You should be operating system agnostic. You should be programming language agnostic. You should be technology agnostic as a software engineer. Uh, See, these are tools. Okay, it's like a carpenter. Okay, as a carpenter has to build whatever furniture he has in his mind or the design he has in his mind. After that, he's going to use different tools. He may use different kind of drill machines, he may use different kind of cutters, he may use different kinds of hammers, he may use different kind of wood, that all. But a carpenter, no carpenter will say, oh, I'm going to work in only this wood, I'm going to use only this drill machine, I'm going to use only this hammer. So all these tools and technologies that you are using, they are just tools and technologies for a software engineer. Okay, and you should be good in one tool and technology, and you should understand one tool and technology. You should understand how to build something using these tools and technology, but you should be agnostic about these tools and technologies. Okay, if somebody comes and tells you today you have to work on Django framework on Python, even if you don't know Python, even if you don't know Django, but if you worked on Mon stack or a mean stack, okay, as a web developer, you should be able to quickly pick up Python, and you should be able to quickly pick up web development using Django framework, and you should be able to build an application using that. Okay, that is very important. That is very important because when you start doing that, then you don't have any competition. So, everyone, thank you very much for attending this live. Spread the word around for this channel. These lives are happening 3 hours long. I'm trying to bring as much information as possible with every live. And see you on the next live on Thursday, 9:05 p.m. Thank you very much.